Good morning. Just a quick one today. Finally going to get round to fitting the Tech bike parts pannier rails onto the Triumph Bonneville. These have been sat on this shelving unit for about 2 months now, so we'll get them on. And we are also installing the Oxford Heritage saddlebags. But first, the bike needs a bit of a clean. Right, the bike is all cleaned, turn lube. Let's get round to fitting the rail. Pretty straightforward job, or it should be. This bolt needs to come off. A bolt behind the peg. Let's see how tight this is. Now, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos regarding Triumph foot pegs, and everybody taking the peg out of the bracket. You don't actually need to do it. Push down on the peg. You will be able to push down hard enough. You can undo the bolt without having to take the whole peg apart. Bracket on there. Now, Tech bike parts do supply bolts for this. Loosely put the bottom one on. Put that in there. Tell you what I forgot. Washer. Washer on there. Obviously when you tighten it back up, put some more downward force on. Now this one needs to go to 28 Newton meters. And that is it. Pannier rail installed. Now Tech bike parts do say to leave 10mm between the rail and the shock. If you haven't got 10mm, then basically grab the bottom of the rail and bend it. There we go, perfect. Now for the other side. Now exactly the same procedure for this side. Bottom one on first. Put some pressure on. Tighten the bolt back up. Done. As you can see on this one, that one is resting on the shock. Bend it out until you have at least 10mm. And that is it. Pannier rails installed. One strap under the seat. Of course it wants to sit where the seat clicks in. And then two straps over. Not sure if that's going to affect pillion comfort or not, and if Now they do, I've gone for these because I do want some leather ones, but as Bonneville owners know, Triumph owners know, as anybody knows, they're not cheap, they're quite expensive. I'm not a tight Yorkshireman, or maybe I am, but I don't see the value in it when, I mean, these were 99 quid. For anybody that does watch the channel, they'll know I have the CB1000 GT that comes with lockable panniers. Now if I didn't have that, I would still be looking for leather, but these will do for now, and I'll keep a lookout for. I'd like some official Triumph ones, but they're £400–500, and I just can't justify that expense for the amount I would use them. They are the Oxford Heritage roll bags. I mean, these straps are a bit flimsy, but for what I need, they'll do a job. Undo, roll. There's quite a lot of space in there. They do have a removable liner. Buckles for a shoulder strap. Yep, shoulder straps. They are completely waterproof when rolled up, apparently. I shall do this in a second. There is hooks on the bag to secure the strap to the pannier rail. I no longer have the pea shooters, and I have the upswept Hitchcock's exhausts, and there is plenty of clearance between the bottom of the bag and the exhaust, so that should be all good. Are you alright, mate? Some guy's German Shepherd just tried running into the garage and eating me. Anyway, that's it for today. It was just a quick one, just a quick install on the saddlebags and the pannier rails. This weekend we are taking the Bonneville out, heading into the Peak District, heading to a few bike and brew locations, so we'll see you on the next one.